4 stages of eclampsia. Someone out there had it out for pregnant girls. As if it isn't hard enough on them already, there is a disorder known as preeclampsia. Below, we will take a look at what this disorder is characterized by, how it affects you, and how to tell if you have it. Preeclampsia is a pregnancy disorder involving convulsions. It generally occurs after 20 weeks of pregnancy, and usually with the first child. And as I said before, someone had it out for pregnant girls. Because if no signs or symptoms of preeclampsia occur, there is still possibilities of eclampsia, which can happen before, during, or after the labor process. There is only one true way to tell if you are carrying the eclampsia disorder: eclamptic convulsions. Eclamptic convulsions have 4 stages of grueling pain. Stage 1, unless the woman is aware and watching for this stage, it is generally missed. In stage 1, the woman will simply roll her eyes, and simultaneously, her hand-to-face muscles will slightly twitch. Stage 2, shortly after stage 1, the teeth will clench, the arms and legs will go rigid, she can bite her tongue, and the face and hand muscles that were twitching will now be clenching. In this stage, the woman will also experience loss of breath for approximately 30 seconds. Stage 3, this is where it gets really bad. The muscles will begin to jerk violently, while frothy and slightly bloody saliva will appear. 2 minutes of this until it stops, and then there is a coma, or occasionally heart failure. Stage 4, if not dead, the woman will fall into a deep unconscious state. This can persist for hours, or pass quickly. Clearly, this is not anything to be letting pass by. If any of these symptoms occur, visit your doctor immediately. You could lose 2 lives if you are not properly treated or monitored. Make sure you share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.